So what's one of the best upgrades you can make to your stream? Well, it's your work and stream environment. And in this video, we're taking a look at the 3010 gaming computer desk from Respawn. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And today we're doing a product review on the Respawn 3010 gaming computer desk. But if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point in this video, if you like the products or the services I'm talking about, I did you all a favor. I put links in the notes below, so make sure you check them out. So it's no secret that streamers and broadcasters are obsessed with making upgrades to their streams so they can have a bigger impact online. But one of the most overlooked things that streamers and broadcasters don't think about is upgrading their work and stream environment. And the Respawn 3010 gaming computer desk has that in mind for gamers, streamers, and broadcasters. So let's take a look at how this desk can help improve your streaming life. The 3010 comes available in 4 colors: red, green, blue, and gray. Comes complete with extremely sturdy and steel frame construction and solid seal coated top that helps with easy cleanup and spills if they occur. Has a contoured front edge allowing more comfortability on the forearms and wrists, which is a huge game changer in those long gaming and streaming sessions online. The 3010 has an aggressive gaming top design with table accents and colors to showcase. The 3010 comes complete with accessory support with headphone rails for easy storage, speaker wings that can sport speakers up to 5 inches by 5 inches, and a cup holder that can accommodate up to bigger water bottles and tumblers. The 3010 is 52.625 inches wide by 23.625 inches deep. But the awesome thing about the Respawn 3010 gaming computer desk is the fact that it is a height adjustable desk, giving you 19 inches of travel between sitting and standing. Just simply pull on the lever and you go from 49.5 inches all the way down to a sitting height of 33.5 inches. With one pull of the lever, you can easily adjust the height up or down for all of your needs. And this is what I love most about this desk. If you're using the area as a workstation, it's good to get up and get the blood flowing in your legs and in your entire body to work out your joints so you can actually continue to work longer. If you're using this as a gaming desk or a streaming desk, the height adjustment allows you to accommodate games where you need to be standing or move around. Think like games like Just Dance or Beat Saber, or if you're a creative streamer out there. The 3010 has a raised monitor shelf that is raised about 5.5 inches from the main top and is 28.75 inches wide, with about 9 inches deep. So what are some of the cons of the 3010? Well, to be honest, there aren't many, but let me make you aware of some things I noticed and how you can address them if you are interested in getting this desk. The decal accent pieces on the side of the desk are cool and add a lot of flair to this desk, but keep in mind they do take up a couple of inches of space because they are raised off of the desk. It would be nice to see if these accent pieces were actually flush with the top. If you plan on putting your 3010 desk on padded carpet like mine, please keep in mind that if you're going to use the top shelf for your monitors, they may become wobbly. Now, there are some good solutions to this. If you're gonna put it on a solid surface, you can entirely avoid this issue. Or if you are gonna put it on carpet, I would highly suggest getting some monitor clamps to secure it down, or you can get some monitor stands or articulating arms so that way you can adjust your monitors and it makes them more secure. I will put a few links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out if you plan on doing this. There is also no cable management system or cable loops or holders, so be aware of your cable management. Make sure you have enough extended cable for the height adjustment so nothing's tugging on your desktop or pulling on your speakers or anything like that. And be sure to anchor down all of your cables at the desktop point. And an easy solution for this is I just use a regular A or alligator clamp that you can get at your local Big Lot store or discount big box store. Now, if you're interested in getting the 3010 gaming computer desk from Respawn, retail is normally around $340 USD. But depending on what color you want, you can find some killer deals on Amazon. I will put links in the show notes below for all of you out there. Now, if you can't get an awesome deal off Amazon, that's okay. You can buy from Respawn Direct. And the cool thing about that is I reached out to them and they created a coupon code for all my audience and community members out there. So if you buy directly from them, make sure you enter in coupon code Wild4Games to save 5% on checkout. Again, I'll put links in the show notes below for all of you out there. Now, if you're not interested in a height adjustable gaming computer like I am, that's okay. Respawn makes a few different versions of gaming computer desks that are just sit down only. I'll put a few up here on the screen, and the nice thing about all of their products is they actually make corresponding products that go throughout their whole color scheme. They make gaming desks and gaming chairs, so that way you can get everything to match the way you want your room to be represented in your workstation or your streaming station. If you guys would like me to review any of their gaming chairs or any other gaming computer desk out there, make sure you leave me a comment below and I will see what I can do to make a review on that for you as well. The 3010 gaming computer desk from Respawn is one of the best introductory standing desks that I have found out there. To be honest, the price that they're offering out is a steal. Otherwise, you'd have to go with a desktop one that's adjustable that you put on top of your pre-existing desk, or you know what, you'll probably have to step up to the $500, $800, or $1,000 range to get one that is electronic that moves to different heights for you, which is a big step. Now, I'd like to personally thank Respawn for sending me this desk so I could do a product review for all the audience members and community members out there, because I love making videos that's gonna help you guys be bigger and better, and heck, even more comfortable within your streaming environment. Now, Respawn makes a lot of cool products, so I recommend checking out their website and see what would fit within your budget or within your style. Like I said, I put links in the show notes below. Making an upgrade to your streaming or work environment can actually be one of the best things that you can do. It's gonna make you feel more comfortable, and heck, it's actually gonna make you more organized for your stream. That way you can put a lot more concentration into your community and into your stream, because you kind of have everything in its place now. Now, if you guys like this type of video and you'd like me to do more product reviews or streaming gear reviews, you know what to do. Leave me a comment below and I will see what I can do to help all of you out. If you guys like to help support me and this channel keep growing, there are a few things you can do. Some free things you can do are follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and if you like what you see here, you'll probably like what you see on over at twitch.tv/wild4games, where you can hit that follow button, or you can even hit that almighty subscribe button. And thank you to all of those that have started hitting the join button in this video down below. All the support goes into me making more content to help all of you out there. So thank you guys all so much. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming out real soon. Take care all. Peace.